So I went ahead and finished drilling this plate to make the fixture block for this. And yes, I totally get that CNCing these at work would probably be a lot easier. But I couldn't find any material I have on my shelf that is thick enough to make this. And buying aluminum would cost money, whereas doing this is free. So that's basically why I'm doing this. So yeah, the hole actually ended up drilling out pretty nicely. I took a bunch of videos, but basically I held it in that block there in the vise, milled it flat, and then drilled through with a 1/2 inch drill, and then used a series of end mills going up to 3/4 to bore this hole out so that the rod fits. So here's this hole. This is the rod that's going to go in there like so, and it does actually fit really really nicely. So basically, I just need to pop this thing through there like so, and then clean off the mill scale, and then weld a bead around the backside, and then drill out the holes to mount that, and then spot it to fit that recess, and then I should be ready to bore these holes and